Hi guys, Eric here from Elozo. Today we're gonna do another weird unboxing. Not a watch, not a strap, not a t-shirt this time, but a figure, like a figurine, a vinyl figure. So this is the Honmono Taiketsu Panda by Fool's Paradise in a vinyl collection. So I'm not actually sure what to expect of this one because I just saw the ad. There was a post that was shared in the Facebook group I'm in, and I was like, cool, I'm gonna buy it because it just looks cool. Like I don't actually have a Daytona. Like this is actually supposed to be making fun of a Daytona from the name Fulex. So yeah, it's supposed to make fun of that one. I ordered this around late last year, I think November, October, and it arrived like, or it could be even earlier. I'll have to check the actual date of when I actually got this one. They recently released a whole new collection, a reverse panda. I can't actually remember the other one, but I'll share it in the link in the description below. And this is around, I think, $298 excluding tax. I can't actually, yeah. And yeah, there's a huge wait time for this one. Of course, the usual no returns, no refunds, and those things. Then yeah, let's get into unboxing this. And you could actually see I'm not on my usual desk just because the box is big. Like the figure is 11 inches big, so it's gonna be interesting to see how big this is. Like if you've actually seen the ad, it looks like a person, like from a person's neck until the chest. That's how big this is. Like even the box is kind of big. So hopefully we should be able to unbox this quite properly. It's like that's why I moved desk just so because I really want to show you how big this thing is. Okay, so let's just quickly unbox. I'm sorry if my hands are a bit in a weird place. Like I really have to try to get everything in. I'm gonna get everything in frame as much as I can. So, but yeah, I don't actually really know what to expect with this one because it's my first time I've ordered, from these people. Apparently they do plenty of Mario inspired ones, and it looks really good. Like maybe the photography is good. I'm not actually sure, but it looks really good. So I'll just put the plastic on the side. Box looks good. Really sturdy, very thick box. This looks like one of those in a business card, like a foil. This looks like that foil. Yeah, box looks really solid. So let's just quickly open this one. Oh, this box is a bit difficult. So yeah, let's put this box on the side. Then you have the usual foam, and there you go. It actually looks quite nice. More foams, like not even a sign of any documentation, or paperwork saying, hey, this is your serial number. So let's just quickly get this one. Yeah, I would have expected it to be a serial number. Ooh, I'm kind of scared just taking it out. No, there you go. Yeah, before I'll get into this figure, I'll just put this one on the side. Yes. But yeah, there's almost no documentation right here. So it's really just the foam. In the box and nothing. Yeah, there's nothing else. There's no saying, hi, congratulations, there's nothing. This is a very straightforward unboxing. Let's see if there's anything hidden underneath. No, there's really nothing. That's pretty much it. That's the box. I mean, the foam looks good, but yeah, there's really nothing in here. Yeah, I would have something congratulations on purchasing a Honmono Taiketsu, your I don't know, but yeah, I don't expect this to be limited. I think they released 499 pieces, and by the time I purchased this a week later from the announcement, there's still a fair few. So yeah, okay, let's get into this thing. Hopefully I could get this. Oh, the crown. Oh, The crown is actually hidden on a, not really hidden, but it's put on a foil just to make it look nice. So hopefully you should be able to get a good idea of what this actually looks like. Just I don't want to drop it. Like, it's very plastic. Maybe that is what vinyl is. I actually don't know what to expect. And this one clicks, which looks really good. A bit wobbly, so it's not exactly the most sturdy. Bezel. Let's see, where was I? No, it actually should be here. There you go. But it actually looks really good. Like, it looks pretty nice. Very plastic. Like, personally, 298 might be a little bit too expensive for this. It does look nice. I could see the appeal, especially if you own the watch and the brand. I could see the appeal. Why would you want to have? Like, why would you buy one? Like, the back, it's really like it really looks like an nice for display, like something you would put on the top of a cabinet. It would have been nice to have like some sort of like a fake plastic sapphire, but I don't know how you would put the nose anyway. Paint looks good. I don't see any major paint issue, maybe, yeah. Looks like one of those, looks like an applied index, yeah. It could have been nicely painted on the 30, but otherwise, it is what you would expect. Yeah, there's a bit of I won't call it chip damage or anything, but probably just a QC on this eyes right here. See if you could zoom in late, try to zoom it in, but otherwise it looks like, you get what you pay for, well, for the most part. Otherwise, yeah. So this is what you should expect if you do consider the Fool's Paradise, like the other collection. I'll link it, like I said, I'll link it in the description. But if you're looking at considering buying one, this is what you should expect. I really like the reverse, like the Panda compared to the Reverse Panda. I think the sub looks really good. So, like usual, like, subscribe, leave some comment below if you have any questions. I'll try my best to answer. But yeah, this is the Honmono Taiketsu Panda. Thank you for watching.